Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing some of the most important current affairs of the topic awards and recognition of May month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos. Not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes. They are very helpful, and if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. First is the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award. Who received the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award? This is the question. Who received it? It was received by Tyler Perry. Mark this. Who is the recipient of Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award at Oscar 2021? It was received by Tyler Perry. American actor Tyler Perry received the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award, an Oscar statue, at the 93rd Academy Awards ceremony. He was honored for his contribution towards the recovery of the entertainment industry amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award is presented to an individual in the motion picture industry whose humanitarian efforts have brought credit to the industry. The award is named after Danish actor and translator Jean Pierre Carl Boren, professionally known as Jean Hersholt, who was a philanthropist. All right, getting back, who received the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award at Oscars 2021? It was received by Tyler Perry. Mark it, and it is a American actress. Next. Next, we'll be talking about Bharat Ratna Professor Rao receives the Any International Award. What is this energy? Any stands here for Energy Frontier Award. I repeat, the name of the award is Energy Frontier Award 2020. Received by whom? Received by Professor Chintamani Nagesh Ramachandran Rao, that is CNR Rao. And you should also know, question can be asked, Energy Frontier Award 2021 or 2020 was received by Professor Chintamani Nagesh Ramachandran Rao. He also received another prestigious award, that was your Bharat Ratna. All right. So Chintamani Nagesh Ramachandran Rao has been honored with Bharat Ratna as well as Energy Frontier Award for 2020. This was basically for the research into renewable energy sources and energy storages. Can be asked that he was Energy Frontier Award was received by Professor Chintamani ji. For what reason? For what condition or for what purpose did he receive this Energy Frontier Award? It was for research into renewable energy sources and energy storages. Energy Frontier Award 2020 is also known as International Annie Awards 2020. It will be presented on 14th of October 2021 at official ceremony, which will be held at the Quirinal Place, Rome, Italy. The 2020 International Annie Award or International Energy Award marks the 113th edition of these energy awards. All right, so these are the 113th edition, and these 2020 International Energy Awards are the 13th edition of the Energy Awards. This award is considered as the Nobel Prize in Energy Research. Another important thing you should know. Which award is considered as the Nobel Prize of Energy or in energy research? It is your International Energy Award, and this year, that is in 2020, International Energy Award was given to Professor Chintamani Nagesh Ramachandran Rao. CNR Rao received the award for his work on metal oxides, carbon nanotubes and other materials, and a two-dimensional systems like graphene, boron, nitrogen, carbon hydrate materials and molybdenum sulfide for energy applications and green hydrogen production. So he did research in this particular field. If we talk about Annie, it is the CEO is Claudia and the head office is in Rome, Italy, where this particular ceremony will be held and this award will be presented. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about the first Indian to win annual World Choreography Award 2020. I repeat, first Indian to win the annual World Choreography Award for the year 2020. Who is he? He is Suresh Mukund. I repeat, the person is Suresh Mukund. He became the first Indian to win the World Choreography Award 2020. Emmy Award nominated choreographer Suresh Mukund became the first Indian to receive annual World Choreography Award. He won the 10th annual World Choreography Award 2020. He won the award in the Best Choreography category for a television reality show that was World of Dance The Kings. They both are two different. The World Choreography Award is an annual live show that celebrates creativity and innovation by recognizing excellence in the art of media choreography. It takes place once a year in Los Angeles, California. I repeat, who won the World Choreography Award 2020? It was won by Suresh Mukund, and a question will be asked in such a way that who was the first Indian to win the World Choreography Award 2020? He is Suresh Mukund. Next, Nobel laureate Amartya Sen has been conferred with the Spain's top award in the social sciences. Another important question. Alright, who is he? Amartya Sen. First of all, we will talk about Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is serving as the professor at the Thomas W. Lambton University and professor of economics and philosophy at the Harvard University. The government of India has honored Amartya Sen with Bharat Ratna in the year 1999 for his contribution to economics. Another important thing you need to know about Amartya Sen. All right, then which is the most prestigious award of Spain we are talking about here? That is the Spain's top award, Princess of Asturias Award, that was won by Amartya Sen for the year 2021. I repeat, Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Kumar Sen won the Spain's top award, that is Princess of Asturias Award 2021 under the social science category. This is also important. Question can be asked that under which category did Amartya Sen won this Princess of Asturias Award 2021? It is under the social science category. The jury announced the list of 2021 laureates over the virtual platform. Amartya Sen won the award for his research on famines and his theory of human development, welfare economies, and the underlying mechanism of poverty have contributed to the fight against injustice, inequality, disease, and ignorance. The award comprises of John Myro sculpture, a diploma, an insignia, and a cash prize of 50,000 euros, around 44.25 lakh rupees, given to him. German Publishers and Booksellers Association awarded him the 2020 Peace Prize of the German book trade for his pioneering scholarship addressing the issues of global justice and combating social inequality in the education and healthcare. Coming back to the important things, who won the Spain's top award, that is Princess of Asturias Award 2021? It was won by Amartya Kumar Sen. If we talk about this award, that is the Princess of Asturias Award, the Princess of Asturias Award is annually presented by the Princess of Asturias Foundation, which recognizes the scientific, technical, cultural, social, and humanitarian work carried out at an international level by individuals, institutions, or group of individuals or institutions. The award is presented in 8 categories. They are arts, literature, social sciences, communication and humanities, technical and scientific research, and international cooperation, Concord, and sports. These are the 8 categories in which this Princess of Asturias Award or the top award of Spain is given. The award are annually presented at a ceremony held at the Spain. The awards were first presented in year 1981. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about the Laureus World Sports Award 2021. First of all, tell me who has been honored with the Sportsperson of the Year title and who is the Sportswoman of the Year title. These awards, first of all, look at the 22nd Laureus World Sports Award 2021 were unveiled at the digital award ceremony from Sevilla, Spain. Spanish tennis player Rafael Nadal won the Sportsman of the Year award. I repeat, who won the Sportsman of the Year award title? It was won by the Spanish tennis player Rafael Nadal. If we talk about Naomi Osaka, she is also the Japanese tennis player and she has won the Sportswoman of the Year title. I repeat, who has won the Sportswoman of the Year title? Naomi Osaka. Who won the Sportsman of the Year title? Won by Rafael Nadal, and they both are related to tennis. Alright, here you can see Rafael Nadal and she is Naomi Osaka. Now you should also know the country they belong to because these can also be asked in your exam. Sportsman of the Year, who is he? Rafael Nadal. He belongs to which country? He belongs to Spain and sports is tennis. Similarly, Sportswoman of the Year is Naomi Osaka, belongs to Japan, and the sport she plays is also tennis. Both are important. They both are equally important. You should know the correct data can be asked in your exam. Alright, so do take a note of it. Sportsman of the Year Rafael Nadal and Sportswoman of the Year Naomi Osaka. Next, Hockey India has won Etienne Glitch Award. I repeat, Hockey India won the Etienne Glitch Award. What it is, let's look at it. Hockey India has won the Etienne Glitch Award in recognition of Hockey India's contribution towards the growth and development of hockey. Various individuals teams and organizations received the Federation International de Hockey FIH honorary awards at the virtual conference organized by the FIH as a part of the 47th Congress. Indian hockey goalkeeper PR Srijesh was appointed as the member of FIH Athletes Committee during the virtual meeting of the executive board. Along with PR Srijesh, Marlena Rebecca of Poland, Mohammad Mi of South Africa, and Matt Swan of Australia were appointed as the member of the Athletes Committee. If we talk about the Athens Glitch Award, the award is given every 2 years by the executive board on the recommendation of the awards panel. The award is presented once every 2 years in conjunction with the ordinary congress. Award is named after Atin Glitch, who served as the honorary secretary of the FIH from 1966 until 1984 and served as the president of FIH till 1966. The award carries a medal and a particular certificate. That is your Atin Glitch Award won by Hockey India. Next we'll be talking about Robert Lewandowski. He has won the Europe's Golden Shoe Award. Another important. Alright, Golden Boot, or you can say Golden Shoe. European Golden Boot or Europe's Golden Shoe Award has been won by whom? It has been won by Robert Lewandowski of Poland. Alright. He scored a record-breaking 41 goals in the Bundesliga en route to Bayern's ninth consecutive league title. The award was presented by the European sports media. Argentina's Lionel Messi won the maximum number of awards. There were 6 awards won by Lionel Messi, but the Golden Boot Award, that is the European Golden Boot or Europe's Golden Shoe Award, has been won by Robert Lewandowski of Poland. If we look at some of the key points, by breaking Gerd Muller's single-season Bundesliga record, Lewandowski became the first Bundesliga striker to win the Golden Shoe. He beat out Barcelona's Lionel Messi, Juventus' Cristiano Ronaldo, and PSG's Kylian Mbappe, and followed Bundesliga rival Erling Haaland and Andre Silva. Tottenham Hotspur captain and striker Harry Kane won the Premier League Golden Boot for the third time. Getting back, who won the European Golden Shoe Award, or you can say the Europe's Golden Shoe or European Golden Boot, won by Robert Lewandowski of the Bayern Munich. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about Mumbai-born academician Tahira Kutubuddin has won the Sheikh Zayed Book Award. Another important thing. Who won the Sheikh Zayed Book Award? Won by Tahira Kutubuddin. Alright. Sheikh Zayed Book Award, what it is about, let's look at about it also. Mumbai-born American Tahira Kutubuddin, professor of Arabic literature in the department of NELC, University of Chicago, has won the Sheikh Zayed Book Award in 2021 for her book titled Arabic Oration, Art and Function. She became the first person from India to win this particular award, that is your Sheikh Zayed Book Award. She became the first person, first woman or first Indian to win the Sheikh Zayed Book Award. Who is she? She is Tahira Kutubuddin. Sorry. Moving on. She won the award under the Arab culture in other languages category. The award was under 8 different book categories were announced at the 15th annual Sheikh Zayed Book Award that was held in Abu Dhabi. The awards will be formally presented to the winners in a digital ceremony in May 2021 in Abu Dhabi. The Sheikh Zayed Book Award named prominent German philosopher Jürgen Habermas as the cultural personality of the year 2021. Another important thing. The Sheikh Book Zayed Award named the prominent German philosopher Jürgen Habermas as the cultural personality of the year 2021. Question can be asked, who has been honored with the culture or who has been awarded with the cultural personality of the year 2021? He is Jürgen Habermas. But due to some conditions, Jürgen refused to accept this particular cultural personality of the year award. If we talk about the Sheikh Zayed Book Award, it is an independent initiative administered by the Department of Culture and Tourism of Abu Dhabi. The first edition of the award was presented in 2006. The award commemorates the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, founding president of the United Arab Emirates and the ruler of Abu Dhabi. The award is annually presented to outstanding writers, intellectuals, and publishers. All right, moving on now. Moving on. Next, we'll be talking about Arlene Patched Global Vision Award that has been presented by the International Association of Women Judges. I repeat, Arlene Patched Global Vision Award given by whom? By International Association of Women Judges. Who received this award? It has been received by Justice Geeta Mittal. As you can see here in the picture, another important news that you should know. Geeta Mittal has been conferred with the Arlene Patched Global Vision Award that has been given by, or that is being given by, International Association of Women Judges. If we look at the data, Justice Geeta Mittal, who is the former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, received the Arlene Patched Global Vision Award for 2021 by the International Association of Women Judges. She became the first Indian judge to receive the particular honor. She was declared as one of the recipients of the award. She shared the award with Justice Margarita Luna Ramos of Mexico. Another thing you should know. She has shared this award with whom? Justice Margarita Luna Ramos of Mexico. Mark this. Then, the award was presented by IAWJ's biennial conference during the virtual opening ceremony. If we talk about Arlene Patched Global Vision Award, the Arlene Patched Global Vision Award was instituted in year 2016 to recognize the contribution of the sitting or retired women judges to the IAWJ and the goals of IAWJ. IAWJ is your International Association of Women Judges. Alright, the name is Justice Geeta Mittal. Moving on to next. Next is your Green Urja Award. As the name suggests, it is related to your environment. So automatically this becomes important. Who has been honored or conferred with the Green Urja Award? It is your organization, that is IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. Alright, I repeat. IRDA stands for Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, who has been honored with the Green Urja Award. Mark this. Alright, IREDA. If we look at the data, IREDA under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy won the Green Urja Award 2021 for its development role towards the green energy financing. IREDA won the award for being the leading public institution in financing institution for renewable energy. The award was conferred by the Indian Chamber of Commerce, that is your ICC. Question can be asked, who has presented this Green Urja Award? It has been presented by ICC, that is Indian Chamber of Commerce. Pradeep Kumar Das, Chairman and Managing Director of IRDA, received the award from Dr. Ajay Mathur, who is the Director General of ISA. Where is the headquarter of ISA? It is in Gurgaon. It is in Gurugram, Haryana. Then, if we talk about this Green Urja Award, the award recognizes the contribution of the organization towards the development of the renewable energy sector in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat. If we look at the highlights of IREDA, it is the only dedicated institution for financing renewable energy and energy efficient projects in India. Another important thing. Alright, you need to know IRDA is the only dedicated institution for financing renewable energy and energy efficient projects in India. IREDA has sanctioned a loan of total of value 96,601 crore rupees, disbursed 63,492 crore rupees and supported more than 17,586 megawatt of renewable energy capacity in India. Alright, so who won the Green Urja Award? Won by IREDA. Next we'll be talking about Nagaland's Why Nuklu Foam has won the Whitley Award. Mark this. First of all, what is Whitley Award? And this is for his biodiversity, peace, corridor. Question can be asked: why Nucleoform won the Whitley Award? For what reason? For his biodiversity peace corridor, he won the Whitley Award, and he is from Nagaland. If we talk about the Whitley Award first, the award was established by Edward Whitley OBE in 1993. The award is annually presented to the individuals from the Global South by Whitley Fund for Nature. The award recognizes the leading grassroots action benefiting the wildlife, habitats, and people. Each winner receives 40,000 pound of around rupees 41 lakh rupees in projects funding over 1 year. Note, the first Whitley Award worth 15,000 pound was awarded to marine conservationist Amanda Vincent. Why Nucleoform, a church worker from Nagaland, won the Whitley Award 2021 for his efforts towards creating Biodiversity Peace Corridor, a network of community owned forests in Nagaland and protecting the Amur falcon. He is the only Indian to win the prestigious award and he is from Nagaland. Why Nucleoform? Market. And Whitley Award, what is this Whitley Award? You should know, is this presented to the individuals from Global South by Whitley Fund for Nature. All right. Basically, you can say for the conservation of nature, this particular Whitley Award is given, and the recipient this year was Nagaland's Y Nucleoform. Moving on. Next, Union Education Minister Ramesh, or you can say ex-Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank received the International Invincible Gold Medal. I repeat, who won the International Invincible Gold Medal? It was received by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who is our ex-Education Minister. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank awarded with the International Invincible Gold Medal 2021 by Maharshi Organization. And who gave this award to him? It was received by Maharshi Organization. He has been recognized for his extraordinary commitment and outstanding service to humanity through his writings, social and illustrious public life. Moving on. We have done this particular award, Annie Award by Professor Chintamani Nagesh Ramchandran Rao received the particular award, and who is the also recipient of Bharat Ratna, that is your International Energy Award. And this was the 13th Energy Award, and this is your Nobel Prize in Energy Research. Moving on. Next is your regarding Satyajit Ray. Next is regarding your Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award for Excellence in Cinema, instituted in 2021, to be given at IFFI annually. So let's look at it. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has instituted the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award for Excellence in Cinema. This award will be given at the International Film Festival of India every year starting from the year 2021. This award consists of a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees, a certificate, shawl, along with a silver peacock medal and a scroll. The award is instituted as a part of the celebration of the birth centenary of Bharat Ratna awardee Satyajit Ray, who was born on 2nd May 1921 in Kolkata, West Bengal. Union in Information and Broadcast Ministry announces year-long celebration for Satyajit Ray Centenary to oversee the activities and implementation committee under the chairmanship of Secretary I&B has been set up. Film divisions will be creating a dedicated Satyajit Ray section at the National Museum of Indian Cinema at Mumbai. Alright. Next we'll be talking about Jungle Cry won the Best Jury Award at the 11th Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2021. So, which is the movie that won the Best Jury Award? It was your Jungle Cry. Alright. Jungle Cry, directed by Sagar Baleri, who won the Best Film of Jury Award at the 11th Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2021. If we talk about Jungle Cry is a film based on the true story of 12 underprivileged tribal children from Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, Odisha, who won the World Rugby Championship that was held in the United Kingdom 2007. The film, directed by Sagar Baleri, stars Emily Shah, Atul Kumar, Stuart Wright, and Julian Louis Jonas. If we talk about Dadasai Phalke Award, Dadasai Film Festival. This Dadasai Phalke Film Festival is India's only independent film festival established in 2011 in Delhi, NCR. The film festival is annually organized on 30th of April to mark the birth anniversary of Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, who is fondly known as Dadasaheb Phalke. Next. Next, we'll be talking about Japan's Order of the Rising Sun Award. Another important award you should know. This award has been given to Shamla Ganesh. I repeat, Shamala Ganesh. As you can see her in the picture, she has received the Order of the Rising Sun Award. That is the highest honor of, you can say, Japan. Alright, it is the third highest order of decoration of Japan. I repeat, Shamla Ganesh, who is 79, the former director of Japanese language school, received the third highest order decoration of Japan, that is your Order of the Rising Sun, under the class gold and silver rays from the Consulate General of Japan in Bangalore, Karnataka. She received the order for her contribution in spreading the Japanese culture and language in Karnataka and other parts of India, and for promoting the friendship and goodwill between Japan and India. So, who received this Order of the Rising Sun? That is the third highest order decoration of Japan. She is Shamala Ganesh. Next we'll be talking about Shakuntala Haraksingh Thilsted has won the World Food Prize 2021. Mark it. Who won the World Food Prize 2021? Won by Shakuntala Haraksingh. Indian descent Dr. Shakuntala Haraksingh, a native of Trinidad and Tobago and a citizen of Denmark, won the 2021 World Food Prize for her research, insights, and innovation in developing holistic nutrition sensitive approaches to the aquaculture and food system. She became the first woman of Asian heritage to receive this award. World Food Prize Foundation instituted the World Food Prize Award. So, can be asked, World Food Prize is instituted by whom or given by whom? Given by the World Food Prize Foundation. Alright, along with this award, she will be receiving 1.8 crore rupees or around 250 US billion, 250,000 US dollar. Next, we'll be talking about the first two Indian women, or you can say the first Indian women to scale one of the toughest peaks in the Everest Massif in Nepal. Alright, so they are the Indian women who climbed one of the toughest peaks in the Everest Massif in Nepal. They are Baljeet Kaur and Ganbala Sharma. Just remember their name. Baljeet Kaur and Ganbala Sharma have become the first Indian women mountaineers to summit the Mount Pumori in Nepal. Alright, Baljeet Kaur and Ganbala Sharma, first Indian women mountaineers to summit Mount Pumori in Nepal. The two women are also the first ones to scale a mountain that is a part of the Everest Massif. Everest Massif is formed by four peaks: Mount Pumiro, Mount Nupts, Mount Lhotse, and Mount Everest together. Alright, so friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed it. The proper way for you, I'm telling you again, to is just watch the video. If you are doing one topic, just pause the video, write the important notes, take the notes, and then proceed to the next topic that I'm discussing. It will be very helpful to you. Just form the one-liner formats. Alright, just make the one-liner notes. They will be very helpful to you. Alright friends, so this is Vikas signing off. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.